Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a tiered glam display stand. And so what you're going to need some of this floral diamond wrap, and this is from eFavor Mart. You'll also need some of these teardrop pendants from eFavor Mart. eFavor Mart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have eFavor Mart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of these rhinestone buckles, and they are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these glass candle holder plates. You may use one of these little mini candle holders. This is a footed one, and I may or may not be using this, but we'll see as we go along. So this may be an optional piece. And you will definitely need one of these votive candle holders that is the pedestal type. So you'll need that from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so we're adding some hot glue striping to the back of the ribbon so that we will add structure as we are creating the frames for our trays. Okay, you guys, didn't the tiered glam display stand and the mirrored display tray turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. I did switch things up a little bit by adding in some of the clear diamond chain on the tiered tray, and then I used the teardrop pendants as the feet for the mirrored tray. So they turned out absolutely beautifully. You can certainly be as elaborate with these as you like by adding even more embellishments to it. I just chose to stop here and make it a little bit simpler, but do whatever you like to make the projects your own. And yeah, they were super easy to make, and let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give these easy DIYs a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.